Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, Italy's sun-soaked slice of paradise. Imagine dramatic cliffs, sparkling seas, lemon-scented breezes, and a pasta dish calling your name at every turn. Today, we're not just exploring, we're planning out the perfect vacation itinerary for you, full of gorgeous sights, delicious food, and maybe a little dolce far niente, the art of doing absolutely nothing. Let's dive in. Start your adventure in Sorrento, the unofficial welcome mat of the Amalfi Coast. This lively town sits high above the water, with sweeping views of the Bay of Naples and Mount Vesuvius looming dramatically in the distance. Wander the historic centre, and you'll find cobblestone streets lined with shops overflowing with colourful ceramics and bottles of golden limoncello. Pro tip: stop at a cafe, order a creamy espresso, and pretend you're in a 1960s Italian film. Bonus points if you wear sunglasses indoors like a celebrity. In the evening, head down to Marina Grande. Watch the fishing boats return and grab dinner at a family-run trattoria with fresh gnocchi alla Sorrentina. As the sun sets and the sky turns orange and purple, you'll understand why people fall in love with this coast. Next up, Positano, the cover model of the Amalfi Coast. Homes in every shade of peach, coral, and gold cling to the cliffs, and it's basically impossible to take a bad photo here. But fair warning, this town is built on stairs. Lots of stairs. Consider it your built-in exercise plan for the day. Climb down, or up, mostly up, to Spiaggia Grande, the main beach where colourful umbrellas dot the sand and boats bob in the crystal-clear water. Take a swim, snap that classic beach photo, and then grab a spritz at a cafe overlooking the sea. For a treat, pop into a sandal shop where artisans can custom-make leather sandals to fit your feet perfectly. Because nothing says vacation like footwear you watched someone craft in front of you. After Positano, cruise down the coast or take a ferry for the ultimate scenic ride to Amalfi town. Once a powerful maritime republic, it now offers a charming blend of history and seaside relaxation. First stop, Piazza del Duomo. You can't miss the Amalfi Cathedral. It's the one with the dramatic staircase that practically begs for a look-at-me-on-vacation photo. Step inside to admire centuries of art and architecture, or just sit on the steps with a gelato and watch the world go by. Speaking of treats, this is the place to try a sfogliatella, a flaky, shell-shaped pastry filled with sweet ricotta and citrus. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your Instagram followers. Today's plan: trade beach towels for breathtaking viewpoints. Head up to Ravello, a peaceful hilltop village that feels like a secret garden in the sky. It's cooler here, the air smells like jasmine, and time seems to slow down. Wander the gardens of Villa Ruffolo, where flower-lined terraces seem to float above the sea. In summer, live music drifts through the air during the Ravello Festival. For the ultimate photo op, walk to the Terrace of Infinity at Villa Cimbrone, where marble busts look out over endless blue horizons. Warning: side effects include uncontrollable sighing and daydreaming about moving here permanently. Grab a light lunch with local cheeses and wine before heading back down, or just stay and nap in the sun. Your call. No Amalfi Coast vacation is complete without embracing the region's citrus obsession. Visit a local lemon grove to see and smell the massive Sfusato Amalfitano lemons hanging like golden lanterns. Learn how limoncello is made, and yes, taste testing is encouraged. Then take a cooking class where a smiling chef teaches you how to make fresh pasta and a perfect seafood risotto. Pro tip: if the chef calls you bravo or brava, take a bow. You've earned it. Finish your trip with a sunset boat ride along the coast. Watch the pastel towns light up one by one as the sky turns pink and gold. It's the perfect grand finale to your Amalfi adventure. The Amalfi Coast isn't just a destination, it's a series of moments you'll never forget. The taste of lemons in the air, the sound of waves on the rocks, and the laughter of locals sharing a meal. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this vacation plan, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, which Amalfi Coast day would be your favorite? Until next time, happy exploring, and maybe pack some stretchy pants for all that pasta.